If you want to customize your artwork in GIMP, one of the easiest ways to do it is by installing new brushes. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to install GIMP brushes step by step so you can add custom brush packs, refresh them properly, and start using them right away. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, you need to download your brush pack. GIMP supports several brush formats, including DGR for standard brushes, DGIH for animated brushes, and even Photoshop ABAB files. Many brush packs come compressed in a zip or .rar file, so if that happens, just right-click the file and choose Extract All, Extract Here, or whatever extraction option your computer gives you. Once the folder opens, highlight the brush files you want to install and copy them. On Windows or Linux, you can press Ctrl and C. On Mac, use Command and C. Now that your brush files are ready, the next step is finding the correct GIMP brushes folder. The safest way to do that is from inside GIMP itself, because GIMP keeps its folders buried pretty deep in your system directories. So open GIMP, then go to Edit, and then Preferences. If you are on a Mac, you may see GIMP, Preferences, or Settings instead. Inside the Preferences window, look at the left sidebar and find the Folders section. Click the plus icon to expand it, then select Brushes. On the right side, you'll now see two locations. One is the system directory, and you should leave that alone. The other is your personal writable folder, usually marked with a check mark. That writable folder is the one you need. Click it so it's highlighted, then use the Show File location in File Manager button in the upper right corner. This will open your File Explorer directly to the hidden folder that GIMP uses for your personal brushes. Once that folder opens, double-click into the Brushes folder if you are not already inside it. Now right-click inside the folder and choose Paste. You can also use Ctrl and V on Windows or Linux, or Command and V on Mac. This places your brush files into GIMP's custom brush location, which is exactly where they need to be. After that, go back to GIMP and close the Preferences window. Now look for your Brushes panel. It is usually on the right side, often near your Layers panel. If you do not see it, don't worry. You can open it by going to Windows, then Dockable Dialogues, and then Brushes. Once the Brushes panel is open, look at the bottom right corner and click the Refresh Brushes icon. This tells GIMP to rescan the folder and load your new files. After a moment, your custom brushes should appear in the list, ready to use immediately. And that's it. You've now installed GIMP brushes the right way, refreshed them, and made them available for your next design project. This is a really useful skill, whether you're doing digital painting, photo editing, or creating graphics with a more custom look. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more GIMP tutorials, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.